In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft OneDrive to Make.com. To begin, you'll need to log into Make.com if you haven't created an account yet. It's necessary to set one up. Make.com is a powerful platform that allows you to automate digital tasks, providing significant time savings and reducing effort when managing your files across different services. Once you log in, your next destination is the section labeled Scenarios. This is essentially where all your automated sequences are housed. Look for the option to create a new scenario, as that's where all the automation magic happens. Within this scenario, you'll want to search for OneDrive. Doing so will bring up various triggers and actions specifically related to Microsoft OneDrive. After selecting OneDrive, you need to click on the Watch Files option. This serves as a trigger that notifies Make.com whenever there's a change in your OneDrive files, which is crucial for setting up this integration. Allowing Make.com to monitor changes means that each time a new file is added or one is modified, your automated processes will automatically activate. The next step involves clicking on what Make.com refers to as My OneDrive webhook. Essentially, a webhook operates like a link between your OneDrive account and your new scenario, enabling Make.com to receive updates from OneDrive in real time. Be sure to save your settings after setting this up to ensure your configurations remain intact. For new users, this step might prompt a login into your OneDrive account. You'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to grant access and establish the necessary connection between OneDrive and Make.com. After the connection is established, set the trigger to activate immediately as data arrives. This setting ensures your scenario runs every time OneDrive detects a change, minimizing the delay between detection and processing changes. It's important to save your progress as you go along each step to prevent losing any setup configurations. Once everything is saved, you're ready to activate your scenario. This action triggers the automation, ensuring the link between your OneDrive and Make.com is live and functioning as expected. To see your automation in action, click Run. Then, navigate directly to your OneDrive account. Try copying and pasting a file to see how Make.com handles this change. Finally, head back to Make.com, where you can verify that your scenario executed correctly. If everything went smoothly, you should observe the file you just added to OneDrive is now reflected within the Make.com setup. With these steps, you've successfully connected Microsoft OneDrive to Make.com. This powerful integration indeed simplifies file management tasks, allowing you to concentrate more on what matters most.